moving forward from video part to the next, which is called Magic Switch. Magic Switch effortlessly change the size and format of your designs. So how you can do it? Let's just go with the already created templates here, like here. And yeah, it is contact us graphic which we have created using Canva. And you can use Magic Switch. To click use on Magic Switch, you can go here, Magic Switch here. And there's a transform into doc. If you want to transform that into doc, you can also do that. Turn your design to summary or blog post or something, which I don't think you will be needing that. There's a translate. So if you click on this translate or translate to, let's say I want to translate to Hindi. If I click on it, the whole design will be translated to the Hindi. If you click on the open Instagram post, so that's how easy it is to transform your design into other languages, clicking one button. So you don't have to go one by one. So you can choose any language from it. So that's how you can easily do that with the help of Switch. There's not only this part, but there are many other features to it. If I click on that, you can resize to another aspect ratio here. And there is a custom size, or there's a social media. If I click on the social media, I want it to be, convert that into Instagram reel. Just click on continue. So it will start creating or resizing my pic for that. So it has already done that. So it has improved this resizing option, because previously it just shrink that out and does not align with the aspect ratio of the image. So they have already improved that particular part. So there's that thing to it. So that's how you can easily do that with the help of Magic Switch.